Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get paid on the TikTok. So if you want to earn money from the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. If you want to earn money from the TikTok, there is such no way to earn directly from the TikTok because TikTok pay nothing to the creator. You can only create a profile on the TikTok and create a content for free. But if you have good followers or good following on the TikTok and you have good content, different companies or the brands will contact you to promote their products. In other words, you can influence on the TikTok to get paid on the TikTok. So this is the only way, no other way to earn money from the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.